Welcome to Goodwe Training Series. Today we will take you through the Lynx battery connection. Turn off the battery breaker. Open the top cover of Lynx battery with a small straight screwdriver at two sides. Unscrew the breaker cover and open it. Make sure battery breaker is turned off before making any further process. Power cable between inverter and battery. Prepare the power cable between inverter and battery. Please use a power cable with conductor core section of 25 square millimeter. Please note the power cable connectors at two sides are different. Put the rubber sealing ring. Crimp the power cable. Secure the back shell. Please use the power connector and accessory bag of Lynx battery. Crimp the power cable of inverter side. Please use the power connector and accessory bag of inverter. Put battery power cable through battery cover plate and press cable into the right port. Make sure the cable connected tightly by confirming the click sound. Connect battery terminals to inverter by the screw. Install the battery terminal protection cover. Power cable between batteries. Prepare power cable between batteries. Crimp the power cable at two sides. Connect the power cable from first battery to the next one. First battery positive port to next battery positive port, same for negative port. Make sure the cable connected tightly by confirming the click sound. Please don't remove the protective cover for the poles which is not connect to power cable. Communication cable wiring. Connect the communication cable of inverter to the battery. If RJ45 registered jack through seal ring can't go through the waterproof module, please follow the instructions to make RJ45 registered jack. Please connect pin 4 and 5 to CAN H and CAN L, respectively. Remove the waterproof module. Route the cable and RJ45 registered jack through seal ring the waterproof module. Secure the back cover. Two COM port are same. You can connect any one to inverter or to next battery. Prepare BMS communication cables between batteries as the same instruction. Connect the BMS communication cables from first battery to the next one. Last one COM port need to install terminal resistance. Install the wire harness fix bar. Put the wire harness on the corresponding slot. Install the bar using M5 screws. Turn on the breaker. Turn on the breaker and tighten the screw of breaker window. Install the plastic cover. Install the plastic cover. Push the snap of the cover into the slot. Finally, press the switch button of all batteries in 30 seconds to power on the system. That's all for the Lynx battery connection. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of Goodwe Training Series, please visit our Goodwe community and stay tuned to our official account.